Welcome back to OTT. In today's video we're going to be looking at 5 new features that are on the iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Pro. In no particular order, at number 5 it is going to be the best camera yet. The iPhone 15 has Apple's best camera. Apple says that it will have an amazing 48 megapixel main camera with improved sensors and autofocus. This means it will take photos in sharper detail and more vivid colours. Apple also claims it will take better low light photos than ever before. So on September the 22nd, we'll be the judge of that. Number 4. The iPhone 15 comes in an all new colour range. You can pick up the brand new iPhone 15 and the 15 Pro in pink, yellow, green, blue or black. And for the first time in a smartphone, the colour is infused through the back glass. Apple also claims that the iPhone 15 also has the strongest and the toughest outer case yet. We should also point out that the Pro models of the iPhone 15 are made from titanium rather than glass. Number 3. The iPhone 15 will have the USB-C charging port rather than the controversial Lightning port. The USB-C connector is now the universally accepted standard for charging, and it will be made mandatory for all brands to use it in the EU from next year. So that probably played a big part in Apple's decision. With the new USB-C charging port, this enables users to be able to charge your iPhone, your iMac, your iPad, and also the AirPods Pro. They'll all be able to use the same charger. Number 2. The Action button. The Action button on the iPhone 15 replaces the ringer switch on the left side of the old iPhones. Apple claims that you'll be able to control a whole host of features, including the camera and the flashlight, but you can also customize your Action button by going into the settings. And finally, number 1, the Dynamic Island. The Dynamic Island is a little widget that lives on the top of your iPhone, and it can be used for pretty much anything. You will be able to watch videos, keep up to date with sports scores, follow your rideshare, or track a flight before you board. Apple also claims this will allow you to do multiple things at once without flipping back and forth between apps. So there we have it. Those are the 5 new things coming to the iPhone 15 and the 15 Pro. Pre-orders for the new iPhone begin on September the 15th, then officially go on sale on September the 22nd. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more just like this one, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave all your thoughts down in the comment section below. And I'll see you all in the next OTT video.